modern workplace now is very, very different. Huddle zones, breakout zones, a lot of collaboration in meeting rooms and boardrooms. I think having this type of technology in the education sector is really vitally important to ready students for their professional lives. I think what iiyama have always tried to do is focus on ease of use. So, ready to use applications out of the box. We have a lot of nice built-in features on our education range of product. So on our 68 series, we have a 65, 75 and 86-inch product. And before you plug in any device, we do have a dashboard of Android features. So you can make notes, collaborate on our whiteboard, our digital whiteboard function, which is called Note. You can use the built-in browser because the screen has a built-in Wi-Fi adapter, so you can connect to the network, get on the browser, annotate on that with all of the content that the World Wide Web has to offer. You can also upload any presentations or Word or Excel files via the USB key on the side. So all of these things make our solution quite easy to use out of the box.